If you thought the minimalist design of the Dialog 3 was amazing, Lamy takes it to the next level with the new Dialog CC retractable fountain pen. Let's take a quick look. Originally conceived by renowned Swiss designer Franco Clivio in 2009, the Dialog 3 was Lamy's first retractable nib fountain pen. Over 10 years later, Lamy revisits the top-of-the-line collection with the Dialog CC. Now, I'm not sure what CC stands for, perhaps classy communication or carbon copy to use the parlance of our times. What do you think the CC in Dialog CC stands for? Let us know in the comments. Compared with the original Dialog 3, the Dialog CC is shorter with a polished rose gold metal finial, trading in the retractable pocket clip for a roll stop taken from another Clivio designed Lamy pen, the Pico. The new CC is available in two colors, a polished white lacquer or a matte dark blue, both trimmed in rose gold appointments. A short twist of the barrel activates the Dialog's innovative mechanism, actuating a ball valve at the front end of the pen and moving the nib in one simultaneous motion. It's like magic. Twisting half a rotation clockwise reveals the 14-karat gold proprietary Lamy LZ55 nib. In essence, it is the same type of nib as on the original Dialog 3. However, the CC nib has a slightly different rose gold platinum finish design. Twisting the pen counterclockwise, the nib retreats back into its hidey hole, concealing itself with the polished rose gold ball valve. Despite only being 3 grams lighter than the original Dialog 3, the CC is about 9% shorter and has the same diameter. So it's not dramatically smaller, pocket-sized, but it could be a perfect fit for you. Let's take a look at the measurements in this size comparison. Since the Dialog is considered a top-of-the-line writing instrument, Lamy paired this innovative design and retractable mechanism with their premium 14-karat gold nib. The Dialog CC is offered in extra fine, fine, medium, or broad nib sizes. And keep in mind that Lamy nibs tend to run on the broader side when compared to European or Japanese nib styles. For your filling convenience, the Dialog CC adapts to the Lamy proprietary LT10 ink cartridge or fills with bottled ink using the LZ27 twist converter. Filling this pen is less conventional than an average fountain pen, so let me show you how. First, I'm going to need 50 cc's of ink to fill this Dialog CC. Then I completely remove the back end of this pen by unscrewing counterclockwise. With the barrel removed, I unscrew the knurled metal casing to separate the nib and converter from the front part of the pen. Fill the converter as you normally would, then reassemble the pen. Now we're ready to give this medium nib a whirl. Here's where the premium quality of the Dialog CC can be felt and experienced. Aside from the novelty of the retraction mechanism, the pen is a functional powerhouse. For those who like smooth writing nibs, the Lamy 14-karat gold nib will not disappoint. Lamy makes some of the smoothest gold nibs that feel like writing on glass. Paired with the convenience of a twist-action retractable mechanism, the Dialog CC's superb writing ability is quickly deployed wherever and whenever you need it. Since the Dialog 3's initial release in 2009, Lamy resolved dryout issues found in early models. When the nib is fully retracted, you can expect the ball valve to keep your nib fresh with ink until the next time you call upon its majestic writing powers. When writing with the Dialog, the luxury element is never forgotten. The pen's hefty weight and ample girth provide a richness in feel. The option of a glossy lacquer white or satin blue provides two textural sensations to accommodate the writer's tactile taste. The polished rose gold accents are like the cherry on top of this minimalist sundae. The Dialog CC is presented in a gray, square gift box that opens to reveal the pen and a Lamy leather pen sleeve. Pull the tab to peek underneath the platform. There, you'll find a Lamy blue ink cartridge, a Dialog 3 booklet, and a cleaning ring. The ring is used to help clean inside the pen's front section. There are detailed instructions in the booklet to help you use and care for your beautiful new Lamy pen. Should anything give you trouble, Lamy includes a 2-year warranty from the date of purchase. We expect the Lamy Dialog CC to be available for purchase at Goldspot Pens in August of 2021 for the retail price of $439. Want it for less? Check the link below in the description to find our current sale price on the goldspot.com website. If the Dialog 3 is more your style, check out this video review we did back in 2015. In case you're curious, we expect the Platinum Curidas retractable fountain pen to arrive soon after our long-awaited stock replenishment. Check out an unboxing and writing sample of that pen here. Never miss a new and exciting pen release by subscribing to the Goldspot Pens YouTube channel right there. Stay inky, my friends. Take care.